Sibingelele esiqobo sesishiyagalombili 8 siqhubeke nodaba. Ngombuso wasenyakatho owenza kabi kakhulu phambi kwamehlo kaJehova, into yokuqala ayenza uJerobowamu ngokwakha i-spiritual center eBethel, lapho amisa khona isithombe noma umfanekiso kaBhali. Sekhumbula iBethel yenze yaqhamuka kanjani nangithi. uJakobe khumbula kathi ebaleka esuka le kube ebalekela u-Esawu, wakhona indawo alala kuyona, waphupha ingelosi ziyiwa ngentambo ngathi ilati lentambo zihlala zenyuka. Leyo ndawo leyo wathi uzoyiqamba ukuthi iBethel. So labona leyo ndawo senziwa indawo ephakeme yokukhonzela iy'thixo zikaBhali. Siqhubekeni-ke uba kunesiqalekiso lapho uJerobowamu, and remember uJerobowamu kwakunini kwenzeka lokho iminyakanyaka yakudala, mhlampe akusakhumbuli ukuthi ubani owaqamba lo gama lelo and lisho ukuthini lo gama leBethel. Okay-ke, sithi la kuthiwa lana-ke wenza umfanekiso kaBhali, uBhali statue, waguqula abantu kumthetho weTorah owamiswa nguMose, wavusa inkolo kaBhali yayenziwa eGibhithe, kwindawo akhulela kuyo ekubhaceni kwakhe ngesikhathi senkosi Solomon. I haven't done any research or any reference on why uJeroboam wabalekela eGibhithe esuka ezweni lakwa-Israel ebaleka. Sazi ngekho, anginothi ukuthi nangiba ngekho waziyo, but I haven't done any reference on that. But mhlawumbe uma uthi iBhayibheli alifunda uyalazi, mhlawumbe uzokuthola ukuthi kwabaleka, but maybe I'll do that later. But I don't think ngizokwazi ukubuyela emuva ngoba sengikude kakhulu ukuthi singabuyela emuva sibheke. Nje akucabanga ngalokho, kodwa as abantu abazi iBhayibheli nabafundayo siyazi ukuthi uJerobowamu khona wabaleka wayohlala eGibhithe esuka ezweni lakwa-Israyeli. Kuthiwa-ke indawo akhulela kuyo ekubhaceni kwakhe ngesikhathi senkosi uSolomon, wenqaba ukuba abantu bayeJerusalema for uhambo olungcwele. Uhambo olungcwele-ke niyazi ukuthi kukhona into ebizwa nge-Passover, la wonke umIsrael fanele aye eJerusalema ayogcina lelo siko lelo lephasika. So as long as ungumHebheru, ungumIsrayeli, you will know ukuthi this is the ritual efanele yenziwe. Like it or not, kumele abantu baye laphana endaweni ephakeme eseJerusalema beyodla iphasika noma bewenze umnikelo wephasika, because that most cases abantu babe laphana ufika laphana uyekhali izono zakho, umpristi ukhona lana uzocela uxolo kuNkulunkulu ngale nto ozubuze nayo, isiklabhu noma imvu noma yini leyo ukuyikhala izono zakho. So nakhona-ke kwasekune-corruption enzima-ke during those days. Yayise-grand ngekhathi kuqala kusekhona abantu bakudala ukuthi lokhu kwenzeka kanjani, ngoba uma nikhumbula kukhona lapho khona uJehova ethi imihlatshelo yey'mbuzi iyanginenga, angisajabule. Lokho singachaza lithi kwayeshulani uJehova lokho uma ekhona abantu baka-Israyeli uma esethi iminikelo yabo akasayithokozeli. So asiqhubekeni-ke, wavumela ukuba kushiswe kwenziwe iminikelo kwisithusi sasemiswe endaweni ephakeme, waziqokela abapristi esizweni asifisayo, ephambana nomthetho kaMose ukuba abapristi bovela kuphela endlini kaLevi. Empini kamaLevi asala eJerusalema kumbuso waseNingizimu, lapho ithempeli likaNkulunkulu lalikhona eJerusalema. Incwadi yokuqala yamakhosi from chapter 12 to chapter 14 ikhuluma ngombuso kaJerobowamu. If you get time, ungahlala ungathi isikhathi sakho nje ufunde the whole chapters lawo 12 to 14. Actually 4 chapters, 2 chapters. abaprofethi-ke ababedlala enkulu indima la ukuhambisa umlayezo kaNkulunkulu, ucebisa amakhosi, okwakuyiwo-ke ayebusa abantu bakaNkulunkulu, bexwayisa ngengozi esondelayo. Umprofethi-ke Elisha, Amose noHosea yibo abajujwa ukuba baxwayise u-Israel or Ephraim as they call themselves like Ephraim and Israel. Umbuso Prophet Isaiah noMikha yibo abajujwa kumbuso waseningizimu noma uJuda, kanti futhi-ke bayabalwa kumbuso wasenyakatho. Nanka amakhosi-ke alandela Jerobowamu kubukhosi basenyakatho. Angizukuchaza-ke ukuthi inkosi yabusa nini, kwenzakalani ngayo, yafa kanjani, kwathatha abantu. I won't be able to go into the details ye-politics yangaphandle, but zokhuluma nje ngamakhosi. Now mhlawumbe usiyofunda nje-ke ngoba ngizonikeza ama-reference ukuthi mhlawumbe kwenzakalani kubusa le nkosi lena. Inkosi yokuqala kwabonadabi, amakhosi okuqala isahluko 14 verse 25. Kweza uBahasha, amakhosi okuqala chapter 14 verse 33. Kuba u-Ela, amakhosi okuqala chapter 16 verse 8. Zimri, amakhosi okuqala chapter 16 verse 12. Omri, amakhosi okuqala chapter 13 verse 23. U-Ahabi, amakhosi okuqala chapter 16 verse 29. Ahazia, amakhosi esibili chapter 1. Jehoramu, amakhosi esibili chapter 3. Jehu, amakhosi esibili chapter 9. uJoash, amakhosi esibili chapter 13. Jeroboamu esibili, amakhosi esibili chapter 14. uShalom, amakhosi esibili chapter 15 verse 13 to 15. Wabusa nyanga eyodwa-ke wabulawa uManahemu, wabe esethatha izintambo zombuso. uPhekahia, amakhosi esibili chapter 15 verse 23 to 26. uPheka chapter 2, amakhosi esibili chapter 15 verse 27 to 31. Bese uHosea chapter 2, Hosea amakhosi esibili chapter 17 verse 123. Ningabe senithuka kakhulu-ke, ngizoyithumela nje iscript salento sile recording, so that nizokwazi ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi umuntu onesikhathi sokubheka afunde bese enza lento mhlambe eya-reflect, because as I talk it's difficult to it's difficult to listen and understand all, because ngiyafuna ngiyashesha, but ukusalayo you can have a script ngizosithumela naso. Impela ngicela ukuthi njalo made ngithumele isiqephu bese ngithola iscript, but-ke ngiyaxolisa ngikwenza konke lokho, ngivele ngidinda nje nge-recording, but-ke ngizonithumela iscript-ke ukuze nikwazi ukuthi nikwazi ukurefera nani. So Southern Kingdom, umbuso wakaJuda, nanka amakhosi alandelayo: uJeroboam, uRehoboam angithi uyelona owadala uqheko. uRehoboam simthola kwimakhosi okuqala chapter 14 21 to 31 verses. uAzariah, amakhosi esibili chapter 15. uAhazi, amakhosi esibili chapter 16. kube uHezekiah, amakhosi esibili chapter 18. kuzoba uManase, amakhosi esibili chapter 21. uJosiah, amakhosi esibili chapter 22. uJehoahazi noJehoyakim, amakhosi esibili chapter 23 31 to 37. Jehoyakim noSedekiah, amakhosi esibili chapter 16. Angisaqhubeka kusuka la, sizosongena kwenye isigcawu. Kodwa-ke these are the kings that ruled the Northern Kingdom and Southern Kingdom. The last king should be the last king lapho bathathwa khona lawo mazwe abathumbile. Kanti kulawo sithi nje Northern Kingdom, the last king was Hoshea or Hosea, and then Southern Kingdom was Jehoiakim, Nosidikia were the last kings before they were captured by those. Northern Kingdom kwaba Assyria, Southern Kingdom was by Babylonians. That's the history of the Israel. It's nothing more, nothing less a history. There's no spiritual reading or spiritual translation to this. It's just a history as it is, bafethu. Angifuni nini bese ngathi ngiyashumayela, angishumayeli, kodwa kuze sikhulume ngizwi kaNkulunkulu kumele sazi umlando behind all the singashumayela ngeyilimi ukuthi ilizwi lisho ukuthini, but oqala kodwa fanele ukwazi ukuthi lento ukhuluma ngayo uyayazi yini. It's all the background. Sakhuluma nge-apartheid eSouth Africa, but uma ungazi, uma ufuna ukushumayela nge-apartheid ukuthi why apartheid was in South Africa, yenzani humusha wena yourself, but just go back to the history ukuthi yaqala kanjani into ebizwa ngento nge-apartheid before you even start of ukhuluma ilimi nge-apartheid. So that's what I'm trying to do, guys, ukuthi asikhulume ngento esiyaziyo, asikhulume ilimi sishumayele kuze kukhilithwe amagwebu, singazi le nto lesikhuluma ngayo iqale kuphi, the background. So angabe ngisanda kakhulu ngikhuluma xela phela ngizilamba fethu namanje akafuni ukulunga izilamba, mhlawumbe sekuba yizwi lokuguga ngaba kanjalo. Niphile nje bantwana baNkulunkulu, nisale kahle.